Hey Gator Artist! Today I'm going to show you how to upload your artwork through a computer and how to upload it using an iPad. First, you're going to log into Canvas just like you always would. You're going to click on your art course. I am logged into my son Benjamin's account, and so he is in Miss Stern's class. His course looks like this. If you are in just a grade level or regular class, it would just say kindergarten art, first grade art, third grade art. You click your course, and it's going to take you to the home page. This is the same on iPads and on computers. The weekly assignments are these little paint splats, and you choose the correct week. Now, I'm going to switch over to my camera here. I know that's hard to see. I'm going to move it around. Sometimes when you open it, you zoom in, sometimes that helps. Trying to get my pictures to load. They're starting. There they are. You can see right here that my weekly buttons are not showing up here, but the links are still active. That's why those first 3 are blue and the rest are black, because I haven't posted links to those yet. So you can still access them even if you're not seeing the paint splats. Now I'm going to switch over and choose the instructions. When you open the instructions, everything will be there. Our objective, videos to help you with the process. This is a video about the artist we were covering, and then there's a video about all the steps you need to finish. And at the bottom, there is an assignment link. That's the important part for your grade. You click that assignment link. And if you're working on a computer, it's going to pull it up like this, where it says, upload a picture of your finished assignment. I'm going to click Submit Assignment, and it's going to let me choose. File upload, Google Docs, Studio, Google Drive, all of those things. Now, I have saved my picture to my Google Drive, but it's to my Google Drive and not to my son's. I took my picture with my phone and I saved it to my Google Drive. If you're doing something like that, over here's my Google Drive. I've pulled up the picture. I'm going to download it to my computer. Just click Download. Okay, now it's done. So now I'm going to go back to Canvas. I'm going to do Choose File. And it's going to be in my Downloads folder. So I just have to look around. There it is. Click Open. It will upload the file. You can add any comments that you want, and then you click Submit. Now, I allow multiple chances, so you can always go back and do it again if maybe you do something a little bit better later on. Now I'm going to switch back to my camera, which I know is a little tricky and hard to see, but I'll wiggle around my iPad as best I can. When you are using an iPad, you can take your picture right on the iPad. So I have already used the iPad to take my picture. I opened my course just like I did on my web browser. And now I'm going to go down here to my assignment link. And it says that it's already submitted because I just did it on my computer. But I can resubmit the assignment so that you can see what it's going to look like. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get Submit. And a little pop-up comes up that says File Upload or Studio. If you click Studio, it's going to let you take a picture right then. If you click File Upload, you can then open up the library. And here's my picture up here at the top, so I just choose it. And I hit Submit right here. This is through using the Canvas app, and then my little confetti rains down. Make sure that if you are in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, Miss Stern or Miss Tompkins' class, and in one of those grade levels. Make sure that you're doing your artwork even if you're at home, because you do still get a grade. If you're doing your math, your ELA, your science, and your social studies, you got to throw in your art too, because it is a graded subject. Please enjoy your time working and creating. If you're working from home, you can use whatever supplies you have on hand. Just do your best to create the same kind of project that we're doing so that I know you followed the instructions. Have a great Gator Day, and I can't wait to see all the great artwork y'all are going to make.